All right. I don't know why I still have this box from after 10 months, but I'm about to show you how these Max Advanced brakes are holding up after about 10 months. About a half a winter, all a summer. So stay tuned. All right, so here we are, roughly 10 months after I installed these Max Advanced brakes. You can see they're a little dirty, but that coating is holding up. It's holding up on the drum hat, whatever you want to call it. Still looking good. The pads are like, that paint is holding up. I still got a lot of beef on the pad material. Looking good. These are my rears. Yeah, like, man, pretty impressive. I'll check out the fronts next. All right, here are the 2012 Impala Max Advanced brakes, front rotors. A little bit of that stuff is flaking off. A little bit of rust forming there. This is 10 months. A little bit of rust forming. Otherwise not bad. The pads are, yeah, wow. Look at that. There's still a lot of meat on those pads. So that's how we're sitting. Let's call it a year, because I'm not about to crawl up under here in January again, unless something breaks. But the way these things look, we'll call 10 months good enough. We'll call this the 1 year review of the Max Advanced brakes. I gotta say, as soon as I got a few miles on them, they appeared to bite a lot better than when I first put them on. It could have been because it was below zero when I was bedding them in. But all's well. We'll check back in another year, and I'll give you a 2-year update on these. I want to thank you for checking out my videos, checking out my channel, and hey, we made it to 1,000. I want to thank each and every one of you sincerely. So I just want to remind you to go check out, I got 2 videos posted doing a giveaway for 1,000 subscribers. Catch can and a flip key. So check out the links in the description below. This one right here thanks you. Thanks again for checking out my channel. Thanks for getting me to 1,000. Be sure to hit like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you real soon. 2 weeks, February 1st, I'm doing the drawing. Catch can and a flip key. Make sure you check out the links posted below. Say goodbye, Gert.